everybody, I'm Latrina Patrick. Welcome to day 62 of our 90-day grant writing tutorial. Well, today I want to talk to you about some tips that you can apply that will help you win foundation grants. So there are a few things that I think you can do to help you improve your chances of winning a foundation grant. So let's get started. The first thing that you can do, I'm just going to keep it very basic, and that is study the foundation's guidelines. I talked very early on in the tutorials about one of the main reasons that many applicants don't get their proposals funded is because they don't follow instructions. So make sure you study the foundation's guidelines and adhere to those guidelines. So for example, if they say don't send any videos or newspaper clippings, then please don't include those things in your proposal because it's not going to help you. In fact, it will actually hurt you. So that's the first thing. The second thing I would suggest is that you clean up your website. Make sure that your website is current, is up to date, it has online giving opportunities and widgets that allow you to give online. Make sure that the contact informations are up to date because aside from your proposal, this is one of the first things that the foundations are going to pull up when they start the review process. So you want to make sure it's very reflective of who you are and that it represents everything that you are presenting of your organization in your proposal. So clean up those websites. Another thing you want to do is to study the foundation's giving history. So you need to do your research to make sure that the foundation is really into funding your type of program, that this is a priority area for them. And so you want to look at their history of giving to determine what they've given to, what types of projects they've given to. You want to look at the ranges of those grants especially. So look at the dollar amounts to see how much they've been giving. You want to do this, look back for the past 3 years or so. And when you check out what they give, how much they give, and to who they give, what type of programs they give to, make sure that you tailor your proposal accordingly. So if you have never really applied to this foundation, then I wouldn't recommend that you start applying and asking for the highest range that you've seen them award. I really suggest that you request on the lower end. So do your homework there. And another area where you want to do your homework is you want to pull up the foundation's Form 990. This is a form that most organizations that have a federal tax exemption, they have to file with the IRS. And if you have a 501c3, you have to file this with the IRS. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you a really good look at the foundation's assets. It's going to let you see their board of trustees. It's going to give you all kinds of insights into the types of awards that they've made. This is going to help you when you are trying to make an informed decision about whether or not this is a foundation you should be applying to. So if you're not really certain on how to find a Form 990, my suggestion is that you go to www.guidestar.org and pull up those 990s. They have that information there for you. It's a free service they offer. So check out that if you're not certain about what you need to do to pull up a foundation's Form 990. So these are just a couple of suggestions to help you win foundation grants. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me here on my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. That way you will get immediate notification whenever I upload a new video. Now, I also send out weekly email updates to let you know what's coming up that week in the tutorials. And if you want that, go over to my website at www.greatervisionconsulting.com and subscribe to my email updates. While you're on my site, check out my history, my experience, my background, and also check out the services that I offer because I would love the opportunity to work with you and your organization. I hope you found today helpful. I look forward to coming back tomorrow with another great tutorial. Talk to you soon. Bye.